guy a lot.
The kid?
No, the one in the green.
James McAvoy?
Yes, forgot his name.
I don't recognize him.
You don't recognize James McAvoy?
No, should I?
He's been in like everything. Like, ever.
What's he been in that I might know?
X-Men.
They don't watch those superhero movies. They think they're, what's the word?
Essay.
They are.
Oh, Fractured.
Pardon?
We all went to the theater to see it, remember? He was in that, Thomasina, and you really liked that. What do you mean? We all went.
I've never seen a movie called Fractured.
You guys mean Split? Yes.
Jesus, Dustina. Fractured.
Close enough.
Oh, I love that movie.
Yes, James McAvoy is in it, so you have seen him before.
Who's James McAvoy?
I literally was afraid so I was watching TV with y'all. Bless your heart.